Hello and welcome. So I remain Mustafa Lawal. In this lesson, we just learn how to design this Google Chrome logo. Okay, this one is very simple. Just study the logo. You can see that we have a ellipse here, circle, a very perfect one. Another one we have like a line that cut this thing into different sections. So now let's just do it. Let's not waste time. So make sure the logo here is already locked. Okay. So you come to the center, hold down your shift and control key at the same time. Shift key will make it to draw from the center outward, and the control will give you a perfect circle. So hold down shift and control key and you drag it out like this to fit in nicely. Yes, and then release it. Then this one, hold down shift key to drag it inside like this, and right click to get a copy of it. This one again, hold down shift key like this and right click to get a copy of it, and I will select this one. So I want this time around I will even make my outline even 0.5. okay, 0.5. okay, so then I will come with a line. This is it. So this freehand tool, you click, you hold down your control key and click again, and I will set it to 0.5 like this. Good. So then I will bring it over to this place. Make sure this is at 1.0 for you to be able to use your arrow key to move it nicely. Okay. The one important thing here is that you must ensure that there is a contact. Okay. If there is no a contact, it's not going to work. You must be very sure that yes, this thing they touch. You must ensure that it touches. Click, get a copy of it there. You rotate it. Okay, you rotate it like this. Okay, first of all let me click like this. Make sure there is a contact here. Okay, like this there must be a contact, so that is very important. This one now, bring it here, right click to get a copy of it and you flip it this way. Like this. Okay, I think we have a contact. Okay, so now let's zoom out. Okay, and we have it like this. So I'll just bring my virtual segment delete tool. This is it. So I will just deal with this inside. Okay, this is how the logo look like. So it means that I will delete this line. I will come and delete this one. I will delete this one. Okay, and see there is a line here. This one wanted to outsmart us. Okay, so now I will zoom this to page and I will get my smart fill tool. I will just fill it with any color for now. Okay, just to get what you want. So just to bring out your shapes. Okay, let me, but first of all, right from here, Okay, so I wanted to change that one to so I can see my work clearly now. Okay, select this one, shift key to select the rest of them and move it this way. So now let's start. This one is this color of our variable. This sample the colors there. This one is the green. This is what, blue, and this is what, white. Okay, so you can see that how easy it is to create this one. Right click and set outline to none. Okay, now we have our Google Chrome logo. You can see very simple. So in case you don't want to see any sign of space here, make sure your line weight as well should be like airline, very small, so that you don't notice anything after removing it. So see you in our next class. Okay, or maybe I should just export this one for you to see. Then I will come to my objects, lock, unlock all. I will delete this one. I don't want this again. Delete everything here. All these ones now, they are not useful to us again. Delete them. Highlight everything here. You group. You press P to take it to page like this. Then you go to file, export. Then I can set it to PNG if I want a transparent background. Then I will now export. Then if I check this transparency to export this thing without a background, okay, but since I want a background, I'll just do it like this. Okay, I'll click on export and you are done. You will see it inside. But before I do that, don't worry, I will add a text before I go. So see you in our next class.